ministers.
Joram Magezi, the director of the Leadership Code at the Inspectorate of Government, has revealed the leaders who failed to comply with the Leadership Code will be prosecuted at the Leadership Code Tribunal. The Leadership Code Act 2002 mandates that leaders, including the public officials, declare their incomes, assets and liabilities to ensure accountability and promote good governance. This law is designed to foster transparency in the public service and curb corruption.
There is that 10% that did not comply to the declaration. That is where the 2 state ministers and 4 members of parliament are for. With that 10% of the leaders who did not declare, we are now busy processing their files, and we are going to take them to the Leadership Code Tribunal and prosecute them, because failure to declare or non-declaration is a breach under the Leadership Code Act. Once they are convicted, there is a range of punishments ranging from fines to warnings to even a dismissal or removal from office. So the discretion is upon the Leadership Code Tribunal, depending on the way the case goes.
According to Joram Magezi, accountability is crucial in maintaining the transparency and good governance to ensure resource management is followed up.
All these public offices are occupied in trust of the people. They are people's offices, so they want to monitor how their leaders really lead them, especially in terms of managing resources. The Leadership Code is also a legal tool to fight against corruption, because there is a way it reduces on the appetite of people to engage in corruption. If you know that somebody is waiting there to ask you, how did you get this? How did you come up to this? How did you get this? So there is a way it throws down the appetite of leaders to really engage in corruption.
Magezi also stressed the importance of conducting thorough research to identify and address the root causes of corruption by examining the underlying factors that fuel such practices.
Yeah, I would say that possibly one may have to do research and say what was happening the other time before the introduction of the Leadership Code, and then what is happening now. But I would assure you that a Leadership Code is a tool that really curbs corruption. Because as you all know, that corruption, especially the one of bribery, it normally takes effect behind the scenes. And it is not easy to know that somebody has get involved in corruption at that stage. But at least you will get to see somebody putting up a building. You have to see somebody driving a very posh vehicle. You have to see somebody taking his children to London or any other high-level schools. You have to see somebody going on vacation to buy where of which his areas of income do not tally. So in a way, it exposes those who are corrupt, and they are easy to be detected and dealt with by the government.
The director confirmed that all the leaders from the ministries, departments and agencies who have failed to submit their asset declarations will be referred to the Leadership Code Tribunal by May 2025. Similarly, leaders from the local governments who have not complied will also face prosecution and their cases being submitted by June 2025.